Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Woodoku. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there are 3 ways to uninstall this app. The first way is to simply tap and hold on the app. Then click on App Info option. Here you can see the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on the OK button. Similarly, the next way is to go to Settings application, scroll down your screen, then tap on Apps option. Here click on Manage Apps. In the search bar type in Woodoku. Here click on the Uninstall option. And if you're sure, tap on the OK button. And finally, the last way is to go to Play Store application. In the search bar type in Woodoku. Click on the app, then tap on the uninstall option, and if you're sure, click on the uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall Woodoku application. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.